Alright, so we got Trinity 2014 Leaf Trinity football. 5 autograph cards in a box. You can get the inscriptions, the pure glass, all kinds of cool cards in these. I also got 4 packs of 2012 Bowman football. So I'm actually going to do this first. See if I can get anything decent in here. They're taped together though, so that's kind of frustrating to have to deal with. So I don't want to just cut them and end up cutting into one of the cards or something. Yeah. Oh, there's still a little piece there. There we go. So, Frank Gore, Andy Dalton. Rookie card, we got Jordan White, Robert Turbin, Greg Childs, Doug Martin, and then Wes Welker, Drew Brees. Cedric Benson, Mike Williams, Anquan Bolden, Brandon Thompson rookie, Ndamukong Suh, and Ventari Poe Scouting Combine dual card. Focus here. There we go. Ruben Randall, Jermaine Kearse, Adrian Peterson. Darren McFadden, Matt Forte, Michael Brockers rookie, Kellen Moore rookie, Ryan Broyles All-American Football Stars insert rookie, Mark Barron, Calvin Johnson, Dwayne Bowe. Last pack. Jared Allen, Fern Davis, Billy Wynn rookie, Matt Ryan inside the numbers insert, Kirk Cousins, Tommy Streeter, Cam Newton, and Calvin Johnson. So as expected, no hits. Just a bunch of base with some inserts. So let's do something that's all hits. '14 Trinity football. It's an amazing product. Got into some breaks, hit some awesome cards, and I've watched all kinds of other awesome cards get pulled. So hopefully we pull something insanely, amazingly awesome out of here. So I don't want to reveal the stuff, so I'm going to do like this, and then pull them out like this. There we go. So first, it's pure glass for Dante Moncrief. Get a very nice. Second hit, Devin Street. Three color patch auto. Real nice looking. These are really pushed into the packs quite a bit. Third hit, Brandon Coleman. That is a very, very cool looking part of the uniform there. Very cool. Not numbered. Neither of those are numbered. This one is numbered for Leaf Trinity. 8 of 25, hand numbered. Pure glass. And the last card. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. Oh yeah. Look at that. Go Cardinals, Teddy Bridgewater. Inscription numbered 5 of 5. Oh my goodness. How insane is that? Can you see the 5 of 5 on there? Let me do more macro focus here. 5 of 5. Go Cardinals. Teddy B. Holy crap. Oh man. Now it's like decisions, because I would love to keep this with Teddy Bridgewater. But there's no way I'm going to PC a guy that's going to cost me thousands of bucks to buy his cards. So maybe I will get a lesser numbered one. Get rid of this one and get a lesser numbered one. And oh, that's so sick though. Oh my goodness. Wow. Sweet. Alright, well, that made my break and my day and my weekend. And I'm going to a Pack Wars tonight at Legacy Sports Cards, so hopefully my good luck continues. Oh my goodness, I'm so pumped right now. Hope you liked watching that hit as much as I did. Oh, dang. My cord is wrapped here. Yeah. Moving the table and it's moving the camera. The cord is so tight. There we go. Hope you enjoyed watching that. That was amazing. Thanks for watching. Watch my other breaks. Maybe I'll pull some monster stuff out of there too.